I always have to buckle her in or the sensor will go off. Secured the bag and the other bag. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday and I'm vlogging today and tomorrow. Chloe, we meet here so Leah can drive our crazy selves. This is one of my favorite parts of the day because we all just have fun. I got a medicine ball tea from Starbucks and I got an oatmeal and I'll have to bring that over because I was too late to eat it. Get in the thumbnail.
No, guys, we're gonna be so late. Look at Leah.
We gotta get going.
This is
Can
not
you get in and put my break?
Move your door, Karen. Move your door now.
I've been getting some interesting DMs recently. I'm getting some men in my DMs wanting pictures of my feet and wanting sock photos. Maybe it's women. I assume it's not, but this is dangerous.
I'm like surprised it hasn't fallen yet.
You know what?
You're like, attack them in the comments.
Please see this message. It's a little creepy. Okay, this has begun very abruptly. We will update you after we are done with cheer. Goodbye. Cheer is over and we're getting ready now. I have a math test, my first period, and a chemistry test later in the day, so we're a little jittery. Oh, and I forgot my shoes, so I'm wearing my cheer shoes to school. It's a major look, and I'm taking my oatmeal to math. Hello, it is 10 o'clock a.m. I'm done with my math test. I vlogged a little bit with Sydney. I'll insert that clip right here because I don't know whether or not you can hear me and I was like shaking the camera. Okay, math test is over. My brain is absolutely fried. I don't think I did very well.
I have a math test. I currently don't know what's going on and I just got an email from my counselor telling me I have to do geometry over the summer, but I'm currently in it right now. So
okay, well,
do I even pass it if I have to take it again?
But we are in dance right now. We're gonna do like an outdoor little like chill day with yoga and Pilates outside. But that's the update for now. I have lunch soon. On Thursdays I have lunch with all the baseball boys, so that should be interesting. Grace has an attitude today. I don't have an attitude. She has an attitude. I have an attitude. All of you have an attitude. Excuse me. So exciting. Hey guys.
This is your shining moment.
It's really hot today.
Cute. This is a strong message.
Alright, Gavin, give us the game breakdown. Who are we playing tonight?
I'm playing tonight. And how do we feel about this?
Hayes did a strong home run.
I don't know. We're gonna win.
Let's go. That's what we like.
Big dubs tonight.
I would like to share that Gavin was making fun of my pencil case yesterday.
Here's my Amanda impersonation. Hi, my name's Amanda, and like today's just been unbelievable.
Katie, is this yours?
You have a small bicep.
A huge bicep. My muscles are outrageous.
Casually can tell you. Go tell them what the life advice was.
Oh, Barnett? No. So today we're gonna talk about Katie's taste in music. We're gonna talk to her about rap. Thoughts on rap?
I don't really like it.
Really?
Is it like unholy?
I just like, don't like the style of it.
Are leaves called leaves because they just leave the tree?
That's what boys talk about. Like,
Yes. If we talked about our normal thing, the vlog would just get...
Oh yeah.
I'm new. Matt has got to be one of the biggest homies ever. He ruined my complete game, dropped the ball.
Like 6 runs. He gave him 3. No, he gave him 5. Yes.
They won 3-2.
I'll do good, sophomore. Shut up. When we lose by 10, I'm gonna come talk.
We're gonna go wander off to another table.
Even though you're already skinny.
Hey.
The fans need to know.
I think we should introduce everybody at the table. The vlog knows Alyssa.
I'm Matt.
This is the Kangi.
Okay, Jake. Gavin.
Hi, my name's Sauce. I play baseball.
Someone was swearing in the background, but this is Kez.
And I'm Allie.
Oh, Lauren.
So wait. Me sleeping in dance class. Just have to move.
We're doing vlog introduction. This is Amanda. She looks beautiful. Dude.
He's really camera shy.
That's it for the introductions. I don't know where Blake went, but he doesn't get an introduction.
Welcome to the Sauce Takeover vlog.
So now this is the point where we do our journals, and then we are gonna play a song, and everyone in the classroom actually starts to sing the song. So I say that way.
It's so zoomed in. It's so zoomed in.
I want to do it.
Quickly. I have to go take your test.
Signing off from the vlog.
Thank you, Sauce. Hello, everyone. I'm here with a very special guest who has not driven me anywhere in a long time. My beautiful mother. I'm on my way to school because I'm going to cheer at the varsity football game. It's an away game. They didn't have enough girls cheering on varsity, so they invited some of the girls from JV to cheer, so I'm going with them. So I'll try to keep you updated through the rest of today, and then I'll vlog more tomorrow because I won't have as much going on. I got all my stuff, and of course, snacks packed in here, palms. I'm gonna go cheer. In our perfect little baby traveler back there. She doesn't have her seatbelt on. She's so perfect. We could just show her AirPods. Look at McKeely's AirPods. I think I fixed them.
We just tried to set Leah up, but we realized we're setting her up with a freshman. So we tried. Can I have Alyssa Cam? This is Alyssa Cam. This is the football team. Out of like an away game, this is the track. I ran like a running test today. I got to level 20, if you're wondering.
Kind of had a track meet yesterday.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Come on, let's have a Leah and Alyssa break. Wait, come here. So we're besties.
The seniors.
Mothers to Katie.
Yeah.
And Allie. And Grace.
Miss Allie. They call us the moms.
We love them. They're like our little babies. What would you say is the key to a relationship?
Communication, facts.
Communication.
Communication and being on the same page.
I would say my relationship advice is to always say how you feel.
All your feelings are valid. Let's say it on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, McKenna. We gotta go, bye. That was the longest game ever. It is currently 9:55 p.m. Really good game, but unfortunately we did lose.
Bye.
6 points. 6 by 1 touchdown. All the parents are right there and we're we have to stop. There's our boys. We don't talk to them after the games. And they lose, only when they win. Angry football boys. We got the goods. We also got some nuggets and water. Bon appetit. Yes, we got a chit chat, so BRB. But I still have all this laundry that I need to fold. Good morning, everyone. It's literally not the morning, I'm sorry. It's almost...
I've been asking to go for an hour.
It's 4 p.m.
We're late to leaving.
Okay, we're going. Allison and I are gonna go hit the road. We're going to Target. This is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing my jeans from Abercrombie, sweater from Princess Polly, bralette from Princess Polly that match my shoes from Vans. These are actually Allie's. And my purse is also Princess Polly. We gotta go. We were supposed to leave for Target like an hour ago. Can we roll up the windows so I can vlog?
No, I like the windows down.
Okay, Allie and I are eating. The light is green.
Oh, thank you.
This morning I did not do much at all. I literally woke up at 11. I was so exhausted. I didn't get back home last night until like 11:30 and I went to bed at like 12:30. We have to go. We are basically getting supplies for our English project for my English teacher's birthday and some other random things that we need. Every time I come in Allie's car, I eat her goldfish. So I'm continuing the tradition and we're gonna turn on the music and roll down the windows again.
Thank you.
We're going to the toy section. We're trying to find a Batman themed item for this project. We're coming up quite empty here. You guys, we've hit the jackpot. We have absolutely hit the jackpot. I cannot believe how expensive like kids' toys are. This is literally a squishy, $12. Hey guys, I just had to move my car. It was like parked quite a ways down the street. So I walked all the way out there when we got back from Target to move it and my nose started bleeding while I was driving, which is just spectacular. Got on my shirt and it got like all over my hands and I had to just wash everything off. But point is we're back and I'm looking really attractive. Blood on my nose and the thing in my nose. But this is what we got from Target. So basically our English project is for like extra credit for my teacher's birthday. She loves LaCroix, so we got her LaCroix and we're gonna put all these specific things on top of a cake. She's obsessed with LaCroix, obsessed with Batman and the Little Mermaid. I also cannot believe that it is already 5:35 because I woke up so late in the day. It feels like 2 p.m. Finishing the haul from Target. We got some funfetti cake, frosting, and you might be like, why are you going all out? We're going all out because this is like 15 points of extra credit. She's grading us on like how much effort we put into this. It's an honors class and she never gives extra credit, so we're really going for it. And then for personal stuff, I got deodorant, micellar water, gum, and a loofah. I said yesterday, or I said earlier, I cannot take myself seriously with this thing. Anyways, instead of going to Grace's, our friends are gonna come over here, Amanda and I think Alyssa might be coming, and Grace, because my parents aren't here, they're at dinner, so it just like worked out because we could have the whole house and be as loud as we want and it will not be an issue. So I'm gonna try to get everything all cleaned up. They should be here somewhat soon, maybe like 15-20 minutes, so see you then. Look who has arrived. So basically they're saying that Allie was a cuter baby and Alyssa said that I like to troll, so
I just said it didn't look like her. Don't hate on me, guys. I think she's so beautiful. Like,
she said I grew up to be a beautiful woman.
No, I just asked who the baby was because I didn't recognize it.
Get out of my house.
Thanks for all the follow requests. What? I love you all.
Okay, update. Allie took a quick trip to McDonald's.
Guys, look at
and I didn't get any
Reese! Selma!
I didn't get anything from McDonald's, and neither did Alyssa, but the rest of them did. I'm gonna eat this apple, and we're gonna make a cake. Hello, it is me reporting live from my editing session here using the webcam to film the outro. I need to get better at this. I always forget to film an outro or an intro or whatever. You can see Allie's LED lights back there. But that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.